Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, January the 3rd, 2025. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So, three puzzles are left: binary, jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested is the Four Stars Sudoku. Yeah. Four Stars Sudoku number 9838. And the Four Star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for Four Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a Four Stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here three ones. We have here two twos. We have here three threes, four fours. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about the fives? Two fives. Three sixes, three sevens, two eights, and two nines. So the fours are a majority. Can I start with a four? No. Well, four in this row, four in the middle row, so the row above the only two places left, four should be here or there. We have a four in this column, no four there, four should be here. Four in this column, four in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left, the four should be here or there. We have a four in the first row, no four there, four should be here. Then four in the first row, four in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places left, the four should be here or there. We have a four in this column, no four there, four should be here. Need a 4 there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. I need to wait now. How about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Oh, wait. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So, the last column, the only place left 7 should be there. So, now 3 missing numbers. No, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 9. These two boxes can be a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So 2 boxes are left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this row, so no 1 and a 6 in these two boxes. 1 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left now in this big square for the mouse. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4, no, wait, 5 and 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for the man. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 5, 5. Need an 8 here or there. Need a 2 here. 1, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 6 here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the row between the only two places left, the 6 should be here on there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 4, 4, okay. Need a 6 there. Need a 3 here. And the 7 here. 7 there. Two missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So the first column. Only place level 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. 6, 6, need a 6 there. Okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Yeah. In this, in the first column, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this row. So no 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 is left in the first column for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this row. 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. I need a 5 here. Wow. Need a 7 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 4 here. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. Okay. 2. Come on. 7. 7 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. What are those numbers? 6. We have a pair. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay, look. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. 7 and a 6. This box cannot be 7 or a 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this row. No 7 and a 6 in this box. This box cannot be 7 and a 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in the middle row. So no 7 and a 6 in this box. So the 7 and a 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 7 and 6, 7 and 6, 7 and 6. And look, we have a 7 and a 6 in the third row. No 7 and a 6 in this box. 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and a 6. Alright. 2, 8, and 5. 8 and a 5, okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here, okay. Let me think. Need 8 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. No 3. We have a pair again. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 3. We have 1 and a 3 in this row, so no 1 and 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 1 and a 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7, 8 is missing, and then 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. Here can be a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9, 9, 9. Okay, no 9 here. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the first row, so no 9 in that box. So one box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be here. So we need a 9 here. Yeah. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, or last column. The only two places left for the 9 should be here. On there, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Still need an 8 here. 8 and the 1. Yeah. 8 and the 5. 8, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, need a 3, need a 5 here. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, this box can be a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. This box can be a 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So one digit left in this big square for number 7. 7 and a 6. We have a 7 now in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes and there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between. Second row, the only two places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. We have all the 6s, yes, and all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay. About these two missing numbers in the third column for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be in, the 4 goes in there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 in the column next, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 and a 3, we have 1 now in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 box left now in the third row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers? 2, 3, 5. We have a 3 here, so the 2 and the 5 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. 2 and 8. We have 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next on the last column. The only place left 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2 is missing. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this big square. No 5 there. 5 should. Oh, we already have a 5 here. No, it's not the 5. 7 and the 8 are missing. 7 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this. No, 3 missing numbers. Need a 5 here. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row only 2 places left, and 1 should be here. On there, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 box left now in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. 9 in the 5, we have a 9 now in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 5 goes in there. 2, 3, 5, and look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the middle column, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 2 should be there. Final 2 numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 50 minutes again. Wow, cannot believe this. Again, it's a 2 stars puzzle. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. So, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with all the 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.